Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we embark on a journey of artistic expression with our latest tutorial on drawing natural scenery. Join us at Inspire Art Linkings as we guide you through the process of capturing the tranquility of landscape on paper. From majestic mountain to tranquil lakes and lush forest, learn the techniques and tips to bring your artwork to life. Whether you are a seasoned artist or just starting out, our step-by-step instructions and insightful commentary will inspire and elevate your drawing skills. In this video, we delve deeper into the aesthetic and symbolism behind the circle drawing of wall with a pot on it. As you start sketching, focus on capturing the essence of the scene. Pay attention to the play of light and shadow, the intricate details of foliage, and the organic shapes of wall and the pot. Remember to vary your strokes to create depth and dimensions. Experiment with different techniques such as hatching, stripping, and blending to bring your drawing to life. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are all part of the learning process. Embrace imperfections and allow them to add character to your artwork. Finally, take your time and enjoy the process. Drawing natural scenery is not just about replicating what you see, but also about expressing your unique perspective and appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. So grab your sketchbook and let's embark on a journey of creativity and discovery through the beauty of natural scenery. Happy drawing! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Hadi. Hasan ucu. Damadını